today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, I can't believe my eyes for Bitcoin right now. This is a video I did not plan making. Now, I want to go into the chart. And actually, guys, I didn't make a video for like 2 days. I wanted to take some day off. But now I have to come out. I have to talk about what's looming in the Bitcoin charts. What is the next move for Bitcoin? If you want more of these videos on a daily basis, all you have to do is scroll down, like the video, make a comment, make noise for the algorithm. If you share the video, that helps even more. And I will get the sign, the signal from you that you want more of these videos, no matter where I am, no matter when I am. I'm always... Guys, just give me the signal. Please, we need it in these times. YouTube is not very supportive for crypto videos. So we need this support right now. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin price. And this is not what I'm talking about. Yes, we talked about this inverse head and shoulders pattern before. And yeah, beautiful. So far we broke out, right? But Bitcoin needs to break above the 21,800 US dollar area, give or take. But not like this small wick here. We need a lot of volume support to hit the 26,000 US dollar price target. But this is not the only thing I want to talk about. Guys, we are talking about something on a bigger scale, something like almost no one is looking at. Let me quickly go back to the weekly candles. Before I talk about everything what's going on here, actually, I will talk about my trade as well. My trade, you can see it here, approximately 182,000 US dollars in a profit. Boom. I put in like 200,000, so 86% in a profit right now. It's a almost 100 Bitcoin trade. This trade remains open. People are laughing at me. People are saying, Chris, you're gonna get liquidated on that. Well, possible, but let's not be too quick with these assumptions. First of all, of course, with all the positivity I'm always spreading, we are still below the 11 years resistance, and Bitcoin has to get back above that on the weekly time frame. If Bitcoin is not getting above that, obviously we are remaining in this severely dangerous territory for Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs to break above 22,300, 22,400 US dollars to confirm this reversal, basically, because as you know, this is what we did in 2020. We broke below. Eventually Bitcoin got back above again, and actually before that we never ever broke below this very important 11-year resistance, right? I mean, support. We never broke below it, and now for the first time we are breaking below it. So of course we need Bitcoin to close back above again. But I wanted to talk about something else. Let me go here down to the hourly candles, because in the immediate short term, there is one thing we have to keep in mind. Let me actually delete this line here. One pattern where no one is looking at, and I would call it this one here. I'm bullish on Bitcoin. Yes, I'm in a long position on Bitcoin, so don't get me wrong on this. One thing I wanted to show you is a potential, let me go back here, a potential adamant Eve pattern. And we are far from breaking it. If we break it, however, and this is, I will tell you exactly where I would long, where I would short. If we break it, it could get very crazy for Bitcoin. So what you can see is we have the Adam, just a second. We have Adam and we have Eve, which is the rounding pattern. So the moment Bitcoin would break, let me actually delete this here. The moment Bitcoin would break the approximate level of 20,000, once again to the downside, this is the moment we would look at a potential price target to the downside, and then it would get very hairy for my trade, actually. I will talk about that just in a second. For a potential target to the downside, 18,200 US dollars. Going back to my trade, you can see my liquidation price is at 17,200, but that would be very, very close for Bitcoin. It would be actually this last wick many people are waiting for before Bitcoin can break towards the upside. Of course, keep in mind, let me quickly go back here. Keep in mind that the moment Bitcoin is breaking 21,800, the price target is 26,500 US dollars respectively. Right now, we are in a zone which I would call undecided, right? Bitcoin is not decisive yet. We have to keep 20,000 and we have to break 21,800. The moment Bitcoin breaks 21,800, 26,000 is the price target. Very clear instructions here. The moment Bitcoin is breaking the 20,000 US dollar level to the downside with the daily close, with volume support, this is when we are looking for 18,200 US dollars for Bitcoin. This is actually what I wanted to talk about. And if you are saying now, hey, this looks very bearish for me, I want to jump into a short position. Be careful, guys. When Bitcoin is in the red capitulation area, you can see it here on the last 5 years. When Bitcoin goes red, when Bitcoin goes into the red capitulation area on the entity adjusted net unrealized profit and loss ratio, we did it in 2019, 18. We did it in 2020, and we are dipping in right now as we speak. This, dear ladies and gentlemen, is not the moment to short on Bitcoin. This is historically every single time we did that, we were at the bottom or we were close to the bottom. If you are shorting right now, you are exposing yourself from the last 12 years, actually, I could scroll this higher to the last 12 years, to an insane amount of risk. I am personally in this cautious long position. I might put my stop loss at a break even. However, maybe even I'm scaling it higher if we are breaking lower. What I want to tell you is, if you don't want to long, which I can understand, it's a very risky situation right now. If you're not experienced, I would stay away from trading anyways. But shorting is dangerous right now. So please be very careful on that. Let me know down below in the comment section what you think about that. Of course, smash up the like button to a new all-time high. But more importantly, if you want to join me here on these trades, be careful about that. 185,000 US dollars in a profit already. Then you can go down below and in the pinned comment, I leave down below approximately 10,000 US dollars in free bonuses. On Bybit alone, it's almost 5,000 US dollars. So you go down below to the pinned comment, you click the link, and after your initial deposit, you get these bonuses completely for free. Be careful though, it is a very dangerous time. High risk, high reward, of course, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate every single one of you. I know I didn't do videos for the last 2 days, so just engage with this video and I will be incentivized to make more of these. But obviously, when Bitcoin was just floating around 20,000, there was no point of making a video. Today, there was a big point of making one. Anyways, guys, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MM Crypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.